What my brother, if you're searching for hosting or coupon codes to score the deepest discount possible, stick around because I'm about to show you how to get way more than the usual offers. Standard promo codes often top out at 10% off, but by using my personal referral code or link, you automatically qualify for an additional 20% discount on your entire purchase, making it the smartest way to save big on premium hosting. Check the description box below. I have included my referral link customized for various countries, complete with your local currency and language for a seamless experience. Just click yours to head directly to Hostinger's official website. From the homepage, navigate to the Products and Services section in the top menu to view all available hosting solutions, including shared cloud, VPS, and specialized plans like self hosted N8N. The great news, this extra 20% referral discount applies to every single hosting or hosting plan. No restrictions. To demonstrate, I am choosing the N8N VPS lineup. Take a look at the options KVM1 through KVM8, and today I'll go ahead with the balanced KVM2 plan. Move forward to the checkout page and watch as the 20% discount from my referral kicks in automatically, reducing your total instantly, simple, secure, and seriously cost effective. If this walkthrough just saved you extra cash, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more exclusive deals, and let me know in the comments which plan you're grabbing. Your discounted Hostinger journey starts now, links in the description.